Beauty and Grooming Vocabulary. Mirror.
Mirror.
Look in the mirror. Comb.
Comb.
Comb your hair. Hairbrush.
Hairbrush.
Use a hairbrush. Hairdryer.
Hairdryer.
Use a hairdryer. Hair straightener.
Hair straightener.
Straighten your hair. Curling iron.
Curling iron.
Curl your hair. Shampoo.
Shampoo.
Shampoo your hair. Conditioner.
Conditioner.
Apply conditioner. So,
Soap.
wash with soap. Face wash.
Face wash.
Wash your face. Moisturizer.
Moisturizer.
Apply moisturizer. Sunscreen.
Sunscreen.
Apply sunscreen. Lotion.
Lotion.
Apply lotion. Perfume.
Perfume.
Spray perfume. Deodorant.
Deodorant.
Use a deodorant. Razor.
Razor. Shave with a razor.
Shaving cream.
Shave with a razor.
Apply shaving cream. Toothbrush.
Toothbrush.
Brush your teeth. Toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
Squeeze the toothpaste. Floss.
Floss.
Floss your teeth. Mouthwash.
Mouthwash.
Gargle with mouthwash. Towel.
Towel.
Dry your face with a towel. Makeup.
Makeup.
Apply makeup. Lipstick.
Lipstick.
Apply lipstick. Mascara.
Mascara.
Apply mascara. Eyeliner.
Eyeliner.
Apply eyeliner. Foundation.
Foundation.
Apply foundation. Powder.
Powder.
Apply face powder. Nail polish.
Nail polish.
Apply nail polish. Clip.
Clip.
Clip your nails. File.
File.
File your nails. Tweezers.
Tweezers.
Tweeze your eyebrows. Cleanse.
Cleanse.
Cleanse your skin. Rinse.
Rinse.
Rinse your face. Dry.
Dry.
Dry your hair. Tie.
Tie.
Tie your hair. Untie.
Untie.
Untie your hair. Braid.
Braid.
Braid your hair. Trim.
Trim.
Trim your beard. Shave.
Shave.
Shave your beard. Massage.
Massage.
Massage your face. Exfoliate.
Exfoliate.
Exfoliate your skin. Groom.
Groom.
Groom your beard.